Today we're grilling up some chicken, but the fun doesn't stop there. We're gonna go ahead and remove the chicken breast, slice it up, drop in some sauce, cheese, and letting it melt. I really don't have a name for this. Let's just call it the saucy, cheesy, grilled chicken breast. To get started, we'll first need a chicken. Go ahead and remove the backbone. Let's also clean up this chicken by removing any extra fat or any extra skin that you might see. We're also going to be removing this bone. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but let's get it out of the way. Once finished, we'll go ahead and pat dry and add in our seasoning. The seasoning I'm using today is a mix of salt, pepper, garlic, coriander, achiote, and paprika for a little bit of color. Be sure to cover all sides. This chicken is seasoned. Go ahead and let it rest in the refrigerator for about 30 or 40 minutes. Let's prep up our grill. Now it's time to dump out our charcoal. I'm going to be using the SlowNSear in this cook. Temperatures got really hot here, about 500 degrees. About 30 minutes in, I'm gonna go ahead and rotate it. And in another 30, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the thermometer in the breast area to monitor internal temperatures. Right now, the temperature is reading 107 in the breast area. It's been about an hour and 15, and the breast area is 168. I'm gonna go give it a quick sear at the bottom, making sure to flip and rotate and not let it burn. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the grates. It's always important to clean out the grates when they're nice and hot. It just makes easier cleaning. I like to use a balled up foil paper and then give it a nice little quick finish with a wire brush. Let's remove our skewer. Let's separate our leg and thigh. And then split our breast right in the middle. I'm also going to be removing the wings. Go ahead and slice the chicken. The breastbone is still intact, so I'm not cutting all the way through. It'll hold together a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and put it in a cast iron pan. Drop in our enchilada sauce. Add some cheese. Now you could put this in an oven and let it melt, but since the grill is nice and hot, I'll go ahead and put it in there. And if you're wondering how to separate the leg and thigh, be sure to cut right in the middle and cut between the joints, and it's very easy. Here are all the pieces laid out for you, well, minus the chicken breast. Let's check on our chicken breast. It smells and looks great. I'm going to drop in a little cilantro just for that Instagram post and thumbnail. If you enjoyed this recipe, I also have some other chicken recipes that you should definitely check out. I'm going to be dropping the playlist at the end of this video. I'm gonna serve this chicken breast along with some rice and beans and call it dinner. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe.